Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mailchimp for affiliate campaigns step by step clearly. To register with Mailchimp for affiliate campaigns, start by visiting the Mailchimp website. Click on the Sign Up Free button located on the home page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a username that you will use to access your Mailchimp account. Set a password that meets their security requirements. Click the Get Started button to proceed. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Mailchimp. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. You will be directed to the account setup page. Fill in your full name and other required information. Select your business type from the available options. Provide your business address and phone number. Next, choose your preferences for receiving marketing emails from Mailchimp. Once you have completed the form, click the Continue button. You will now be prompted to choose a plan. Select the plan that suits your needs best. If you are starting with affiliate campaigns, you may choose the free plan. After selecting a plan, click Continue to set up. On the next screen, you can set up your audience. You can import an existing audience or create a new one. If you're creating a new audience, fill in the relevant details. This includes your audience name, default from email address, and default from name. Next, choose the options for tracking and notifications. Click Save to finalize your audience settings. Now, you're ready to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different features of Mailchimp. To create your first campaign, click on the Campaigns tab. Select Create Campaign and choose the type of campaign you want to run. Follow the step-by-step prompts to design your affiliate campaign. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.